Yeah, I'm Ice Cream Arista, coming out of Chico with a 69 Toyota Corona two-door coupe. All the work was done by JVC, Japanese Vintage Cars. It's a little car club that we have in Chico. And meeting up our buddies with the 2002 on this side of town. As far as the car is, it comes with a 1.9 liter and I just upgrade to a 22 RE built by Jim Putney in also Chico. And also have a mega squirt and wideband. So it runs pretty good with gas mileage, reliable engine. With XXR wheels on it out of Hayward, California, as I'm rocking a 205 40 17s. Kind of a little big, but it suits it. And all disc brakes from JVC conversion in Chico. Stock suspension, and the paint job and bodywork was done by me. Interior is all Toyota, all stock Toyota. The front seats are from a Toyota Celica Supra, and the back seats are stock, all redone. Door panels redone, headliners redone.